Hi everyone, welcome to this short presentation on Millennium's Unit4 Financials Service Desk. As you know, Unit4 Financials is one of the most flexible and powerful finance systems in the world. But this means you do require system experts to develop the system as your organization changes and grows, and to maintain the performance of the system and support your finance teams. With Millennium Service Desk, there's a lot of opportunity to take away the pains of supporting and developing your system, allowing your staff to concentrate on their day-to-day work. These pains include staff turnover, resulting in loss of systems and process knowledge, no cover for when staff are on annual leave, or maternity leave, or off sick. You might find you end up with an outdated system, and your staff are creating unnecessary workarounds, increasing manual processing and increasing risk. Your performance may be slowing down and you don't know why or how to fix it, or you might find yourself on an unsupported version. So this is where Millennium Service Desk can help. Complementing your Unit4 support and maintenance agreement, our team of technical and application experts with a combined experience of around 500 years can be on hand to support you. Our full-time team are based around the UK, across Europe and in the US, and currently support over 50 organisations around the world. We use a state-of-the-art ticketing support management system with full SLA monitoring and issue escalation features. You simply raise tickets via your user portal or by email or telephone, and our team will be remoted onto your system in a matter of minutes to help you resolve any issues. You will also have a dedicated account manager who will work with you to put together a schedule of ongoing application and maintenance tasks. Some of the benefits include headcount optimization, improved business focus and business process streamlining, immediate support for all Unit4 Financials modules, quicker response and resolution times, optimized system performance, reduced system risk and increased technology landscape awareness. The Service Desk team can also provide various levels of user training for your staff. The Service Desk covers 6 main areas, which are application support, application maintenance, technical support and technical maintenance, project support and user training. So on the application support, the team can help you with any configuration you might need. For example, adding or amending new companies or suppliers or users, workflows or security profiles, etc. The team that work on our service desk each have between 15 and 40 years experience working as Coda Financials implementation consultants. So as you can imagine, they all have a vast knowledge of every aspect of the system and can confidently deal with any requests or issues that you may have. With regards to application maintenance, there are a number of tasks that you may just want to hand over to our team to handle for you. Or you may want to do these tasks yourselves but would like one of our team on hand to support you through the process. These tasks typically include things like running document and balance audits, or running year-end, or archiving, reporting, or workflow maintenance. On the technical side, similarly to the application support, our technical team have been supporting Coda Financials for many years and will be able to resolve any technical problems that arise. They can also identify which issues you need to escalate to Unit4 and can handle that support process for you. There are a number of tasks that you need to do to keep the system up to date and running optimally. These tasks can be outsourced to our technical team, or if you prefer to handle these yourself, our team can train you on what needs to be done and help you put a schedule together. Project support. So your IT and finance teams may be required to work on all sorts of internal projects, which will take them away from their day-to-day work. The Service Desk team can help in 2 ways. Either actively helping on the projects, providing you with extra resource or expertise on tasks like system design, data migrations, project management, system build or development. Or alternatively, our team can backfill some of your staff's day-to-day work whilst they themselves concentrate on the projects. Most of the Service Desk team are very experienced Coda Financials trainers, and between all of them can cover all modules and add-on products. Anything from basic new user training right up to super user and technical support training. This can be run one-on-one or to groups of your staff, and the training will be bespoke based on your own company's systems and processes. So I'm going to hand you over to our Service Desk Manager Sue Battersby now, who's going to give you a brief overview of the Service Desk portal and ticketing system.
Millennium Service Desk clients will be set up with access to our self-service portal. You will receive an email to activate your account, and we will supply you with user notes. Let's log on and have a look around. When you first go in, you are presented with the home screen. You can navigate around the system using the top tabs or the icons in the middle of the screen. Let's have a look at the Help Centre. Click on the text. This takes you in to where we store articles and frequently asked questions. This is regularly updated, so it's always worth a look in here. Moving on to your tickets, in here you will see all your open tickets, your closed tickets, tickets on hold for you and your team. To add a ticket, click on the Add Ticket icon and complete the fields. Title, support type, software, subject, coming down to your description, add a little more detail, what is your priority? We'll leave this one as medium. Your reference if you want to quote it, and your username. You also have the option of being able to attach a file. This could be a screenshot or a report example. Submit your ticket. This immediately gives you your ticket reference, which you can refer when you're speaking to Millennium. Going back to your tickets, you can now see your new ticket there, 4797. You'll see that it is unallocated, but all your other tickets are allocated to consultants. And if you click on the image, it tells you the consultant's name. To review your tickets, you click to open it and you can have a look at what's actually happening on the ticket. If you'd like to put a note on a ticket, you click on reply. And you click on send. You also have the facility of being able to close your own tickets. So you would open a ticket, come to the bottom of your screen and click on the close ticket icon. When you've finished in the system, you go back to the top tab, you click on your initials and you click on log out.
Thanks, Sue. So we're nearly at the end of this presentation now. So just a quick look at some of the customers who use the service desk around the world. We started the service desk in 2015, so some of these companies have been using our service desk for over 5 years now. Some of these organisations just use a few hours a month as a kind of insurance policy, so that they know they have expert support on hand when they need it. And others have completely outsourced their internal support team to our service desk, using up to 300 or 400 hours support a month. All of the information in this presentation and more is available in the service desk brochure, which can be viewed or downloaded from our website, millenniumconsulting.com. So that was Millennium Service Desk. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. If you'd like any further information or pricing, please get in touch. Thank you.